I'm Ben Coates with Coates Homes. Welcome to my house. Tell us about trends in art, and are there new mediums?
So trends that I continue to see are families, individual collectors who want to build a group of pieces that speak to them, that tell their story. So that is always on trend. If it's a black and white photograph, if it's something you've picked up on travels, something sculptural or whimsical, I think all of those things together, certainly with a piece of colorful contemporary art, all of that is very on trend because those pieces play off each other in a collection. So if you're starting an art collection and you want to buy a print or a reproduction, sometimes we call it a giclée, you might think of that on canvas or on paper, but today it can be printed on metal, on wood, or loose-side acrylic. I think those giclées are really neat, newer ways to get a piece of art at a reproduction price.